Today I'm going to show you how to customize branding overlays in StreamYard. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in StreamYard and we're in our stream. We have not yet gone live. We want to, but we want to just manage some overlays so that we can get our branding correct. On the right hand side, there are a few options. We've got this banner over here. All right. So these are example banners. So if you click on show, you'll see what it looks like and where it comes on. But let's just say hide and create a new banner. Now, this is where you will be able to create a name. You can add scroll axis. So here we've got a position that we can change it to, our speed. And then we can also put a timer on or off. Okay, so that's great. And then let's say we want to show for 10 seconds. We can add that banner in over here. This is the banner. Okay. There we go. It says new banner. That's fantastic. And it'll show up for 10 seconds. You can go and place that wherever you need to place it when you are ready to add it in there. Now, some of the other things that you can do here is the media assets. This allows you to add in a logo. If you've got an upgraded plan, you can change the placement of this logo. You can also change some of these overlays. So if you want more overlays, again, you'll have to upgrade. And then you've got the QR code, which is a new feature. You can add in a QR code, add the website, add the title, and create your QR code. You can also add video clip overlays, and then you can loop them if you'd like. There are some samples here, and then you can also add in a background. Now, a background will work if you are, let's just do this. If you are streaming and you've removed your own background, this is a background that you can add in over here. This is a moving background, so that looks fantastic. You can also change different sounds over here and add this in, as well as background music. You can then also change the style, so you can have some preset styles, change your brand color, your theme, your font, and then your default camera style. So it's either looking like that, or in a circle. And then you can continue to do so, and then you can add a different brand in over here if you want to have more than one brand. And basically what you're doing is you're branding your live stream so that when your live stream pops up, your viewers will continue to see the same type of style, and you can then start building your community.